your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you who you win.
I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. You went from the south, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
Alright, hey guys, so excuse the pimple like right in the middle of my forehead. I decided to do my makeup. I don't know, I just felt like being cute, so I went ahead and did my makeup. But yes, today is Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, so this morning I just woke up, did my schoolwork. But this morning I just woke up, did my schoolwork, did a little bit of makeup, and yeah. Alright, hey guys, so it is the next morning. I got up at like 7 o'clock this morning, but I'm just now vlogging because there was a lot going on this morning. So I was supposed to go to my brother's game, but they didn't have and I didn't go. My brother's graduation, so yes, I had to go to his graduation. So I gotta go at 11. It's only currently 9 o'clock. But y'all, I'm looking so cute today, and I'm just feeling like very cutesy, very demure. Like, I don't know, I'm just feeling very cutesy, but a little OOTD, okay? So my necklace is from Temu. This, I don't know where this jean jacket from, I'm gonna be honest. But then I got on this like long bodycon dress. And the dress is from Temu also, I think. The dress is from Temu or Shein, I don't know. But yeah, and then I just had some Ugg slippers on my feet because you can't even see my shoes. And I wanted to wear sandals, but baby, my toes are not done, so that wasn't happening.
The Accrediting Commission and Career Schools and Colleges. I confer on you your degrees, diplomas, and certifications with all rights, privileges, and responsibilities therein. Graduates, you may now turn your tassels from right to left. Ladies and gentlemen, friends and family, present to you the September 2024 graduating class.
Alright y'all, so the graduation is over. I couldn't really vlog because it was packed in there. Like when I say packed, it was nowhere to move. But I did get pictures and stuff, and I recorded him walking up and everything, but it was packed. I couldn't vlog, right? It was no way for me to vlog. But yes, I'm about to go home now. I'm about to head home. It was hot in there. Yeah, I'm thinking about changing my top like to this, like flannel type thing. I don't know, but yeah, right now I'm just doing my edges or whatever. I was thinking about doing a little makeup, but I gotta charge this. I'm gonna see y'all when I charge this. But I'm about to just doing some makeup, and I'm gonna catch y'all when I get there actually, because nothing special. Y'all see me doing makeup all the time. My scent that I'm using real quick is called Pearl. And yeah, alright, I'm about to finish the rest of my makeup and then I'm gonna head out. Since I come, ain't never try to waste mine. Oh yeah. here. I'm about to go in now and about to go eat. We actually came to Buffalo Wild Wings.
Hold on, car. You see that? There's always other drivers that you want to pay attention to. Tight.
All the time, oh baby, but all I do is think about the way you make me feel. Cause baby, the love is so real. Soon as I get home,
Alright y'all, so I didn't talk to y'all before I showed y'all me driving, but yeah, I just put a clip in there of me driving. I didn't put like the whole thing because it's no point, but I put like half of it in there. Alright guys, so I'm about to make some cookies. I'm about to make some apple cinnamon. Yeah, these are supposed to be like for fall, I guess, but I don't know, hopefully they're good because they sound nasty, but if I can get it out the pack, they don't look appetizing, but that's okay.
So long, sometime I forget stuff. I can put you in my bed. You might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word up tomorrow. Bitch, I still got cases open. Keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Play with me today, then get some sleep. You know it's up tomorrow. Fake bitch, that's why my friend fucked on your nigga. Both you bitches pussy, I think y'all should scissor. She bought a chain, I bought the same one, even bigger. She throwing shots, that's how I know.
So I'm about to put these in the oven, and I will come back to y'all when they're done, but right now we about to get them in the oven. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family, and let them know to subscribe to me. Also, we are so close to 10K, so do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I love and appreciate every single one of y'all, and I will see you on the next video.